Hello, good evening. I'm Rajesh Vaidya. I work with Reliance Industries as a complex manager and special projects manager. My experience with MIRAJ services in electrical and instrumentation installation and handling and services is one of the memorable, excellent experience. Primarily because MIRAJ is single solution company where you can have multitude of electrical and instrumentation capabilities in terms of services. They did our one of the fast track project named as Ethane project in the Dahej for Reliance, and they worked through L&T as the main contractor, and they were the subcontractors to L&T. That is how I came to know about MIRAJ. They had deployed almost 250 skilled people on my project. It was really a fast track project we executed in 27 months, start to finish, like a typical LNG tank and balance of plant, that kind of environment. Ethane is a similar to LNG, but slightly different composition. So my experience is that one of the three things which I would like to talk about MIRAJ is their responsiveness. Suppose you tell them as a company, these are the areas you need the help as a client. Even if they were subcontractors to L&T, I was able to directly deal with them, and they were very responsive. So sometimes, both companies do not understand each other. These things happen in projects, but they corrected everything what we wanted. And that's the ability I would rate them very high. They are responsive. They can adjust to the situation. The second thing is high level of technical capability. That is their core knowledge in electrical and instrumentation automation. They did our control center in a beautiful manner and reliable manner, in a very fast track manner. And there were hardly any lapses in that. During our loop checking and all that, we found fantastic experience. And the third thing, of course, Rajesh is my friend, and Rajesh has been very active in his projects. In fact, as a owner of the company, I have rarely seen people traveling to project sites, and he had traveled at least 2-3 times to assess the situation along with L&T and Reliance. So all in all, it's a great company to work with, great experience. And I would say is a good partner for L&T as a electrical and instrumentation, although he has never worked with Reliance probably directly, but it's a great asset to have in the team. Thank you.